Need your bookkeeper or accountant to access your QuickBooks? Adding users lets you collaborate while controlling exactly what they can see and do. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to Settings, Manage Users. Click Add User. Select their role, Standard User, Company Admin, Reports Only, or Time Tracking Only. Each role has predefined permissions. Enter their email address. They'll receive an invitation to join. You can change a user's role or remove their access at any time. My crucial pro tip? Start with the most restrictive role. It's always easier to grant more access later than to undo a mistake. If someone only needs to run reports, give them the Reports Only role first. You can always upgrade them to Standard User if they need to enter bills later. Collaborate securely with clear boundaries. What user role does your bookkeeper or accountant use? For more guides on team collaboration, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.